Hi everyone. Sorry I can't be with you today. I'm actually away. I'm in Edinburgh, here for the week. So my lovely colleague Beth has agreed to do the session, and I just wanted to say I hope it goes really, really well. I hope you enjoy the day. I hope you work well as a team. I think this will be a real test of your teamwork, so it'll be good for your personal and professional development module as well. Hope you all work well together. Hope everybody pulls the weight. Hope everyone, you just get as much out of the day as you possibly can. And it's like everything else, you will get as much out of this as you put into it. I'd have loved to have done something like this when I was at university. So, yeah, Beth will give you a couple of sort of do's and don'ts for the day. So just be mindful of different things and be mindful of your own sort of communication, body language, all that kind of thing is going to be really important. And like I say, it'll be a real good test of your teamwork abilities, your professionalism. Yeah, and just enjoy it. I think it'll be brilliant. Okay, bye.